Hello everyone, my name is Digi and I wanted to give you an exciting update about my UI and the Digi UI add-on. If you like the UI that you see in the background, then I have good news for you. It's even easier for you to get the UI exactly how I have it. If you haven't heard about it yet, the Digi UI add-on gives you access to all my profiles. And the amazing thing is, the profiles are from existing add-ons. So no new functionalities, but just an easy way to import my profiles into your add-ons. I've overhauled the whole installation experience, including new features like detecting your monitor resolution, checking whether all your add-ons are enabled, and giving you options to enable things like the data bar you can see at the bottom, the mouse ring, etc. I also added a lot of things to my add-on, like one-on-one copies of my enhanced QOL and plumber profile. If you want to see the other video I made, please go to this YouTube link, and let's go through the installation together just to see how easy the installation is. Alright, here we are. We got a fresh installation, or pretty much fresh, I suppose. I deleted the WTF folder from my World of Warcraft retail folder. That means all my settings are just gone, and I'm starting from fresh. But when you start World of Warcraft for the first time and you have my add-on installed, you get this little welcome message. Let me move this one a little bit. There we go. And yeah, a couple options you can do. You can configure your UI. Maybe you upgraded from a previous version, or you can remind me later or don't show again. Of course, we're gonna go for yes, configure my UI. And you will see this screen, like a little welcome screen. And you can watch the patch notes if you want. If you're interested in the patch notes, you can see those. But if you want to start, let's go to begin setup. As I said, we have a resolution detection. I just made a update a few days ago to support some more resolutions. So these are the three ones I support at the moment. Got myself a 1440p monitor, so detection is good, so don't have to do anything. Of course, you can always change it if you want, but I'll just leave it on the default, of course. Continue. You can do a quick installation or a custom installation. Let's just make it easy and simple. Let's do the quick installation. Recommended, of course. Let's continue. Next, edit mode. So what you can do is you can copy the string to clipboard, or you can copy, paste it manually with Ctrl-A, Ctrl-C. You can open the edit mode. You can go to the menu in the top. You say import. You paste the string. You give it a name. 5 account-wise layout, so I can't create any new ones, but you import it and that's done. You select it and that's it. And it will automatically adjust based on the resolution that you chose, so don't worry. Then we have the pre-import check. It checks if all the add-ons are there. Indeed, 17 out of 17 add-ons are there, at least with the profiles that I provide. MSK is for the look and feel of the icons, and yeah, we have many add-ons. Nothing interesting. Just continue. Everything is green. That's always good. Continue. And one last thing is import all the profiles. I click on import profile. You'll see if it works or if it doesn't work. Oh, everything is done. Easy peasy. All profiles have been imported. And then we can go to the options, the last screen. Let's say you maybe want to have your action bars enabled. You can click on it and maybe you say, hey, I want to have like a data bar at the bottom, for example. So you will enable that as well. Or maybe you want to have the default Blizzard one. It just depends on what your preference is. I also provide my fonts, or at least not my fonts, but provide the fonts that I've been using. You can download them from the website. Unfortunately, I'm unable to make this because Blizzard doesn't allow copying of files. So if you want the fonts, just go to my website. I'm using XO2 at the moment, so if you're interested in that, yeah. And then, of course, in the last section is enable the visible ring around the mouse. You'll see it after the restart. I always enable this feature because I always lose my mouse and I want to know where it is. So that's it. Finish and reload UI. We're done. UI will be reloaded. Wait a little bit. And then you have everything as I have it as well. So we chose to enable all the action bars. They are enabled. Super nice. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is exactly how I have my add-on profile set up. And I want to show you one more feature. So this is it, right? Everything is done. When I log out and when I switch to my other character, I also implemented a different feature for you to select the profiles that we already have on your main character. You can now use them on your alt as well. So here we are, loading in. All right, once you're loaded in on your alt, so that's the default Blizzard, right? Not all profiles are being copied correctly to the other character. But what you can do is just apply profiles, quick setup. Same resolution detection, just leave it default. And then it will apply all the profiles right away. No need to install or change anything. No need to install any special profile copiers or whatever. You just quick apply it, reload UI. My UI is being reloaded, and then we'll see exactly how it is. changes to the profile. See, everything, the bars have been disabled and some other features has been disabled. So yeah, very easy setup on your alts. And yeah, if you have any questions, maybe you encounter some bugs, you can always contact me through Discord. I'll provide a Discord link in the description. But yeah, that's just how easy it is. And yeah, I suppose happy gaming. The raid will launch in a couple days, and 1 week after that we'll have the mythic plus season. Yeah, gonna be nice. Gonna be really nice. Gonna be pushing with my shadow priest, of course, doing raiding with my shadow priest. Fun times. We received some big single target buffs, so I'm happy. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you all very soon. And enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.